Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clear cache on your iPhone to keep it running smoothly. Let's get started. Open the setting app, scroll down and tap Safari. Next, tap clear history and website data. History and website data. Confirm and clear the history. Unfortunately, there is no one size fits all for clearing app cache on iPhone. You can, however, offload unused app by going to Setting, tapping General, and then iPhone Storage. Select an app and tap Offload app to free up space. And that's it, guys. Your iPhone should now have a bit more space and run more effectively. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick tips. See you next time. Bye.